Never ever ever tell me na ukuthi wena you're going for a picnic because you don't understand the history of lento oyenzayo. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, you're going for a picnic. Yini picnic? It's fine. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, a father was reading the paper. Understand ukuthi isitha saw something on the paper eyasenza sajabula. After reading that, wagijima waya kumfazi wayotshena uwife ukuthi no, prepare a meal because siya out. Immediately after hearing the good news, wife went straight to the kitchen. Wafika wathatha isinkwa, she started slicing, she started wagcoba. She took amafruit wawafaka, she cut some of the fruits, she took amajuice, she put them in the baskets. She was so happy after hearing the good news ephuma kubaba ukuthi they are going out. Even iy'ngane were happy because they were told by ubaba no mama ukuthi no man, go bath, get dressed, prepare because they are out. Iy'ngane immediately saw no mama at the kitchen busy prepare ama-sandwich. They knew ukuthi hayi namhlanje kuzoba mnandi. So they went all to bath besizana, they went to get dressed besizana. It was such a happy day for umndeni wonke. Once everyone was dressed, benza sure ukuthi they lock up umuzi, bathatha yonke into eyilageji yabo, baphuma bahamba. Everyone was smiling, everyone was laughing, iy'ngane ziyidlalela. Clearly it was gonna be a good day for bona. Bahamba baze bafika kwi-train station, beloke beyijabulele. Immediately ubaba wahamba wayothatha ama-tickets. On that day, that specific day, ama-tickets for i-train aye free because everyone was allowed ukuthi ahambe aye la abaya khona. Ihlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi ubaba the time ebona i-newspaper bekubhalwe ukuthi uJohn Hatfield umntomnyama will be unalived by umphakathi. Konke lokho kuzokwenzeka ngo-5 o'clock in the afternoon. Understand ukuthi ngalesiya sikhathi babe-announcer ephepheni ukuthi sine-event enkulu kuzobe ku-analyvwa umuntu omnyama. Whenever isitha would analyve umuntu omnyama babeba ne-huge event ababeyibiza nge-huge picnic or igala occasion. Understand ukuthi ama-businesses ayevalwa and ama-special trains awamahhala ayithatha abantu from la behlala khona babayise lapha kuleya event khona nabo bazoyibukela nje ubumnandi boku-analyva umuntu omnyama. Every time kuzo-hostwa a big event la khona kuzo-analyva umuntu omnyama, uhulumeni would provide ama-free train rides la khona ezothatha isitha from la behlala khona abayise to the place ye-event ngoba wefuna wonke umuntu abe present ukuzo-celebrate le achievement yoku-analyva umuntu omnyama. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi there is significant evidence yokuthi crowds of isitha would gather bephethe ukudla bephethe ama-drinks just to take part kule event and babelinda kuqale ku-analyve umuntu omnyama. The minute umuntu omnyama takes umphefumulo wakhe wokugcina, then i-event siyaqala sekudlalwa obhaskidi siyaqala kuyadliwa kuba mnandi kuba njalo and konke lokho was even advertised on a newspaper. They would call it umuntu omnyama barbecue, umuntu omnyama barbecue, aka i-picnic. This is not an opinion, this is a fact. Kukhona ngisho iy'thombe of isitha behleli phansi bendlale everything, having a picnic after the analyving of umuntu omnyama. Kodwa ama-clever blacks will still support isitha, ama-clever blacks will still defend isitha, knowing very well ukuthi leli gama elithi picnic liqonde the unaliving of umuntu omnyama. From u-1980 to u-1960, more than 4,000 yabantu abamnyama were unalived. Konke lokho kwenzeka nje kuthiwa i-public event, i-picnic. Understand ukuthi babebizana bonke umphakathi, kwakufika nabantu bethi bazosiza in the unaliving of umuntu omnyama. And once umuntu omnyama ethatha umphefumulo wakhe wokugcina, they would then go on to start i-celebration. La khona sebedla bevula amadrinki, kube mnandi kube njalo. Understand ukuthi babengamehlisi lapha, babemyekela alenge. Usually it was 1 to 5 yabantu abamnyama belenga laphaya qede ku-celebrate. Understand, please try to understand this. I-picnic is not what you think it is. When i-picnic yaqalwa isitha as i-event that they used to celebrate the unaliving of umuntu omnyama. Yes. Understand ukuthi lapha babefika nokudla, befika na yonke into, bafike bayosiza. And once umuntu omnyama esithatha umphefumulo wakhe wokugcina, they would then start i-celebration. Iy'ngane zidlale, omama badlala ukudla, obaba bahlale phansi baphuza ama-drinks. It was an event for them celebrating ukuwa komuntu omnyama.